Hello laser fans! In LaserOS version 9.53, Wicked Lasers introduces the new Timeline app. Just like a video timeline editor, you can create and edit your own custom laser show. It's as simple as going to the Timeline app in LaserOS, creating a new timeline, dragging and dropping your music file, then adding laser projections from the various LaserOS apps. If you're familiar with any of today's non-linear video editing programs, you might see some familiar features in LaserOS Timeline. There's a time indicator, a visible audio waveform to align your edits, draggable edit points, as well as playback, scale, and save controls. Get as creative as you want and throw on your favorite effects to enhance it even further. We'll see you at the Laser Show.